What's up, John? Man? You doing all right?
Doing great.
You ready to go fishing?
Let's go.
Let's get it.
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, where we going fishing today?
Dude, we got a secret spot.
All right.
You're gonna be amazed when you see it.
Well, let's check it out.
There she is.
Boom. That's nice. This is my cousin John.
Yeah, man.
He's really big into fly fishing, and he's a beast, man. Can you kind of give us a rundown on your equipment?
Yeah, so I'm using a 7-weight rod with a behemoth. I mean, this is a 5/6 reel, but I found that the arbor's so big that you could fit enough back in there for a 7-weight line. And it's a 10-foot because I'm really into trout fishing, and you want a longer rod for those trout lakes.
That's right.
And I just have a floating line, a 9-foot 4X leader, and then just a small little streamer at the end.
He ties like 99% of his flies himself.
This one's a little messed up. I mean, we could check into the fly box right here, and we got a lot of
boom
flies.
And you tied all these yourself?
Yes.
That's
all
insane.
these at least, yeah.
That's good.
All of them.
All right, well, let's get that canoe, man.
Let's get it.
Let's do it. So this canoe brings back some good memories.
Dude, we've been a little bit everywhere with my canoe.
We did go everywhere, a little bit everywhere. And maybe I'll share the story of how I got into fishing. And you know, my cousin John, my cousin Joe had a big part of that.
Man, you got me into the fishing journey.
That's crazy. Like our first, you know, bass that we caught on a live bait was here.
Baby bluegill.
Off yeah, baby bluegill on a small trap.
Right.
And eventually from there, you know, John got into fly fishing. I got into like just the whole world of saltwater fishing and freshwater fishing. Yeah, the whole 9 yards. A lot of bait busts through here. I mean, a lot of minnows just take cover in the shallow areas, and right now the bass are going shallow to feed on those minnows, or whether it be crayfish or whatever other bait fish is out here, trying to fatten up for the winter, you know.
Right. Just bomb it straight to that big old brush. Stepping on my line. There we go.
My gosh, bro. You could change up the cadence and everything.
Or you could do like a hand twist, like
slowly reel it in. Dude, that's a nice spot to cast right there.
There's some fish down there for them to ambush.
Right. So this is what I'm using today. It's a small crankbait, tiny crankbait. Just imitates a minnow. It's gonna slay it. Got the first fish of the day right here. On the fly.
Took it right off the drop.
Awesome.
Not bad.
Nice little fish right there. Healthy. What is that? What is that? Holy moly. I was like, what is on there? Wow. Hey, comment below if you want me to send you this bass and you want to put it in your fish tank. There goes the first bass for me. Two bass today. Perfect. See you later, dude.
Look at this right here.
Oh, that looks really juicy. Juicy spot. You want to hit it?
No, you got it.
You sure?
Yeah, you got the casting. You got the angle on it.
Oh. Okay, that's straight in there.
Oh, nice. You saved it. I'm going to slow down so you can get a cast.
Oh, that's a bite.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah.
There we go. Oh, yes.
Good fish.
That's an upgrade from the first fish, for sure.
All we need is about 5 more of those upgrades, man.
Here we go.
Good stuff.
Let's go. See you later, dude. There goes one.
the crank?
Yep, on the crank, on the crank.
Nice.
Decent size. Probably like a pound.
Yeah. There we go.
Let's go.
Day.
Whew, biggest of the day. But the fly will change that. Yeah.
Oh, yep.
You got one? You got a hit? Oh, he got off. See you later, dude.
Yep.
Oh, yeah. Let's go. Feels decent?
I haven't seen him yet. Oh.
That's decent. Nice catch, bro.
Not as big as the one you just got.
Oh, you gonna get him.
Small
Hey, good catch, bro. On the fly.
On the fly.
There he is. Yep.
Nice.
Let's go.
Heck yeah.
Appreciate you, dude. Another one.
Nice.
Oh, that's a nice one, bro. That's a nicer one. He's definitely pulling drag.
Ooh.
That's a nice one.
Good butter net, dude.
I know, right? Yo, that's a nicer one. Oh. Can you see him? Oh, yes.
Yeah, dude, that's
Yes.
a good one. That's a good
That's
one.
a nice one right there.
For this lake,
Ah, yeah, let's go.
that's trophy, man.
Nice.
Dude, I guess this is the area, man.
This is it. Nice bass right there. Put up a good fight on the ultralight. And I appreciate that, dude. See ya. Oh, look at that baby bird.
Oh, that's a kingfisher, dude.
Wait, what's that?
That's full-grown kingfisher.
Oh, that's a beautiful bird, man.
Yeah, they fish for little minnows and stuff.
No.
Yeah. They're like baby herons, dude.
Dude,
Little midget herons.
you hear the noise they're making?
Yeah. They're like, oh, y'all fishing for my fish?
Right?
My dinner.
Oh, got him on the drop, bro.
Nice.
He was right under that tree, man. It was crazy. You casted there already.
Oh, it's a
Oh, sunfish, baby.
You know he ain't what
Yeah, what they get in here?
is.
They get big in here. My cousin ain't lying about that. That is a beautiful long-eared sunfish. See you later, dude.
Oh, I thought I had one.
Oh.
It went tight. It's hard because on the pause you don't know if it's a fish or it's on bottom, you know?
Yeah, that's facts. Oh, what?
Oh, yeah!
Yo. You sure you don't want to try this out, bro?
No, I'm good. I just want to catch one on this flat.
Let's go. See you later, dude. What's crazy is my cousin John was out fishing me yesterday. Like, he was killing it. And like today, it's just different. This bank is where it's at, bro. Oh, what? Yo, are you kidding me?
Did you have one?
The tiny one, bro. This is tinier than the other one. Like I said, y'all, if y'all want to bass in your fish tank, comment down below. See you later, dude. You got him. Yes, finally, that's a beast. That's a beast right there.
Oh, he's about the same size.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, no, actually, he's a little bigger.
Yeah, he's bigger. That's a nice catch, bro.
Oh, man.
You did it.
Finally.
Hey. You did it, bro. Ah! Oh, man, oh, man. Oh, that's crazy.
Finally got him, man.
You got him.
Good fish.
Boom.
Boom, back you go, bud. Dang, dude.
Sheesh. Oh, that's a hit. That's a hit.
Oh, yeah.
Another dink. Is this the big one you're talking about?
Yeah. That's double figures right there. Yes.
You got one.
Yes.
Is it a good one?
Oh, yeah, actually.
It's not bad, not bad. Let me reel this in real quick. Oh, dude. Clutch.
No troubles on flies, so we can have stinger hooks.
Dude, I love it, man. Oh, there goes one.
Yeah. Woo! That seems like it's a good one, dude.
I don't know, bro. Maybe. Nope. Oh, yeah, dude.
He's dogging
The stripes are nice. He's definitely dogging me. With the ultralight. Don't jump, don't jump. Oh, yeah, that's nice. Not bad, not bad.
That's a healthy bass right there.
Healthy, bro. Spots on it and everything.
Heck yeah.
See you later, dude.
Heck yeah.
Oh, there goes one.
Ooh, right off the rip.
Right off the rip.
Ah.
Oh, he spit it. It was a tiny one.
Fish tank bass.
That's right. We don't want that. There goes one. Okay.
There we go, there we go.
He's fighting pretty good.
Yeah.
Yes.
Nice.
Let's go. Oh, and he got off at the boat.
Oh, shoot. Got her running.
See you later, dude.
Oh, yeah.
You got one? Yes. He a good one?
I don't know.
Yo, he kind of strong, bro. Not bad. Not bad.
Oh.
Let's see it. Let's see it.
Swallowed that thing.
Beautiful fish, man. Let's take a look.
Not
Yo,
bad.
good catch. He got that stinger hook.
Yep. Take it back, stinger.
Oh, there goes one.
Nice.
He's running. He's running. He's trying to get away.
Ooh.
Another one. Another one. Let's go.
Let's go.
Right in the top of the mouth. See you later, dude. Got him? That's the one. Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
He said, go ahead. That's sight fishing at its finest.
Good little fish.
Let's go. Very healthy, very healthy. All right, let's cross around. Oh, yes. What a hit, bro. What a, oh my gosh. I was like, yo, that was sick.
That was crazy.
That was a fish, but he got you snagged on the tree. We'll say that.
Yeah. He got off right at the last second.
That's right.
Spawn like right in front of it all the time.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, another one, another tree fish.
come on now. Hey, so it's like animals going towards me.
It's like a freaking alligator head. What's happening is we know where the fish are now. That's where the blue herring is.
Oh, that's
Got him? Nice. That's a decent fish too.
yeah, he feels pretty good. Oh man.
How's he looking? How's he looking? He hasn't even surfaced yet.
Right. Oh, that's a football.
That's a decent one, bro. That's what we came out here for, bro. Let's go. You want me to lip him? You want me to lip him? Here, let me lip him.
I think I got it.
Okay. That's the one we came out here for. Look at that belly. Look at that.
That's not bad.
Dude, look at that.
Pretty good.
Fish pound. Boom. Dang. There it is. There it is. That's a decent one.
Yeah.
That's a decent one. Just got to put the pressure on him. Hopefully he doesn't jump off. Oh, let me just let him run. That's a decent one.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
He's not big, but he's pretty decent.
He's good.
Another bass.
All the bass gonna be like.
All right, so that was a good day of fishing, y'all. You
Not
know,
bad.
I appreciated John taking me out in your backyard and
Of course, man. The secret spot.
the secret sauce, the secret spot.